guys, it is 7:20 a.m. on Monday in Tokyo. Anna started work this morning at 5 a.m., which means she got up at 4 a.m. So that's pretty freaking crazy. I was up too, but I was kind of like, oh, what's going on? So I figured it was a good idea that I got up so we were kind of on the same sleep schedule. Just gonna walk around Makuhari right now, maybe do a couple time lapses, take some photos, stuff like that. Anna should be done at 10 a.m. I think we're gonna probably go to Tokyo. I don't think she wants to waste any days here. So that's probably the plan for today. I have a curry halo. Hey, I'm cheating. I was gonna surprise everyone with you. Look who I found. We're at the Coco Curry counter. So how was your show? Yeah, the hair looked good. I watched it.
You always watch it.
I always watch it, even though I don't understand. But I understand.
I don't understand either.
Yeah.
We have the new stylist.
Who translates?
Yeah. She's like,
that's good.
Trying to tell me what was happening. She's like, oh, you don't have any idea what they're saying.
And you're like, no. It's hot. Anybody need a cigarette?
It's not good for you.
No. How about a Chase cigarette? Look. Shit.
Cigar mojito.
Oh, mojito. Maybe you should get that, Anna.
No thanks.
Okay. That's like every kind of cigarette that was ever invented. Hey guys, we're in Nakameguro right now, which is where the amazing cherry blossoms things happens down in here. If you can imagine green leaves except pink. And they fall into this water down here and then go all the way down there. So just pretend with your imaginations. Everything is super fancy in this neighborhood.
But everything's also savant.
Savant. It's a little Frenchy, a little Amsterdam-y. I can't tell if it's warm or if it's cold either. You too? Anna, yeah. Want a balloon? Yeah.
Music, dancing, bullshit, everything. Get it.
Snobbish babies. Some really cute dog stuff in there. Yeah, this is where you get these amazing cherry blossom pictures. If I only knew what that meant.
Everyone's alert went off.
And we made it to Shibuya after many train trips. Oh, look. What'd you say? Dessert before dinner? Yeah. Tea time. And mojito time. I don't know what this bear is doing, but it doesn't look like it should be doing it. Hi guys, we're in Shibuya, or Loft Shibuya, which is a store that has a little bit of everything. But we're in the eyelashes section. Eyebrows, no, eyelashes. Very interesting stuff.
Sorry.
Number 4 or number 5?
It's just on the edge.
Looks great with your new eyebrows.
Yeah, just fake everything. Right?
I'm your biggest fan. Anna, I'm your biggest fan.
You're so dumb.
Look what they did. They put foam around the paper holder so it would be more comfortable for you to carry. Only in Japan. Everywhere else they're like, here, cut into your fingers, carry, I don't care how much weight.
We're talking about you, Mac Cosmetics.
Mac. Look at Star.
What about Mookie?
There's no Mookie, it's just Star. So we are headed back to the station now. Focus on me, damn it. We say hi to Hachikō. Please be the right train. Stop for Shinkiba, yeah. Stop. 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 There's so many empty seats. Inari steak, and you stand up to eat. Medium rare?
Thank you. When? Don't leave.
That's why you put it on.
Ready? No, I just wanted to eat the meat. That's what she said.
Mmm, delicious. Mmm, delicious. Mmm, delicious. Really?
Cornflakes.
Oh, yeah. Mmm, delicious. Spaghetti? Alright guys, that's going to be it for the vlog today.
Another Jesse Eats. Another Jesse Eats.
No, I can't. Jesse Eats that steak place. What the fuck, so good. Delicious.
You know where Jesse will be.
But check this out. Yeah, I know, right? We just picked up a holo and an ice cream at the mini stop. But look how it's packaged. There's the holo right there. And it's so funny to have holo, but look at this ice cream. It has a lid
so it doesn't spill
on top of it, so it stays frozen.
Really?
I'm guessing it's also made out of, it's made out of like cookie, just like the, so it's like a cookie lid.
So you could eat it?
Yeah.
You
right?
lie.
Looks like it.
No, is that a
Yeah, it is.
You lie.
It's the same material that the cone's made out of. It's like a cone with a cone lid.
That's freaking amazing.
Right? Japan, you think of everything. So that way the ice cream didn't melt while we were walking. Right? Wow. Say goodnight, Anna.
Good night.
Good night, everybody. Bye.